Hey, Edmund here, REN77321, and today I'm going to show you the rooms that are available for rent at the Platino. Let's check it out. Alright, so now we're on a tour here at this unit at Platino, and I'm going to show you the facilities and the rooms that are available as of the time of this video. So this is a common area. You can see it's very neat, tidy and orderly. Yeah? When you come back also, you can feel proud about it, yeah? And at peace also. So you got a fridge, water dispenser. You can put your items in a cabinet for your food or dry stock. Okay, this is the common bathroom. Okay, water heater and all. Alright. Okay, this is a laundry area. Just a heads up, yeah. When it comes to drying your clothes, you will want to do that in your room instead. Yeah. The owner doesn't allow the dry to be out here. Okay, but other than that, it's a very nice view up here. Just next to Paradigm Mall, JB. Okay. So let's check out the rooms that are currently available that I can show you. It's quite conveniently numbered as well. Yeah. Some of them are already taken, but I'll just show you this number 2. This is a single room. Okay. You can see it's quite nice. It's fully furnished. Got bed, aircon, the fan, fully furnished. The prices are put in the description below the video, yeah, or above this video. Alright. Show you the next part. This light should be auto sensor. Okay. Here's another single room as well that's available. Okay. And this window will be towards the rear that we saw just now, yeah, the laundry side. Okay. I'll show you another one. This is the couple or master bedroom. Alright. This one has an attached bathroom, yeah. So it could be if you want to be a privacy, I recommend this room instead. Okay. You can see it's quite orderly. Look at the flooring, quite nice. The view here also quite breathtaking in a way also. Very strategic area. Huh? You want good food, Paradigm Mall just next door. All right.